see. But went for 25 minutes. I'm in the cool down phase now. I'll let you see the screen here in a second. But oh my God, that was a good one. And let me tell you, I got a website coming out. tgym.com is my website, but soon we'll be adding my course on there, which is called silencing the triggers. And silencing the triggers is about silencing the triggers in your mind, stopping workplace and school violence, and silencing the triggers in your mind so you can work out. Because listen, I had a trigger today, this morning, that said, you're too tired to work out, don't work out. Well, I wait till this afternoon. I don't usually work out in the afternoon that much anymore. I kind of like to get back to that too. But, woo! Gonna say, here we go. Silence the trigger. I had a trigger. Said, you don't want to work out today. You know what I did? I thought about it. And I said, I'm going to silence that little trigger right now. I said, we're going to put that sucker to sleep. And I got a little bit of motivation. I get motivation from different places. You might start following my website, my Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Yahoo accounts. I'm gonna start posting on here a little more regular. I'm gonna put tips and stuff in there for you on what to do. Because people that just wanna take a pill, which don't get me wrong, that's good at helping out as a supplement or add to your workout. But don't never neglect working out, because it's good for your overall health, and to keep you healthy, keep you cardiovascular up, make you perform better everywhere, even in the bedroom. If you want to learn more about that, join my site. I'm gonna go up top, probably do a little ab work. I didn't do any this weekend because I was hurting so bad from Friday's workout that I had to let them muscles recuperate. So another thing, you gotta listen to your body. Now, those people that are over 40 and younger, you can take these tips too. People over 40, which I'm over 40 now. Actually 55. I hadn't shaved today. I know I'm looking rough, but we'll fix that. But over 40, hey, these tips I got you will sure benefit you. You'll feel better every day. Every day you work out, knock out that trigger that says no. You'll feel better in the morning when you get up. You're like, dang, did I do that? I feel better today. That right there's your motivation to keep going. Right there. Keep going, because the key is consistency. If you stay consistent on what you're doing, you'll start seeing results. Like I said, there's other things that can help you along the way. Different vitamins and weight loss products that help, but don't never give up your working out. You sit on the couch, you're going to be a couch potato. You might be losing the fat, but you're not getting in cardiovascular health. Not to mention the oxygen rush helps clean out your system and 30 minutes. I'm gonna stop now. Whew. Helps clean out your system, and the adrenaline is all burned out now, and it gives you a morphine. It gives you a rush of endorphins that make you feel good all over. You might not feel good right now, but when you get done cooling off, it'll take about an hour or two to cool off. I like to cool off before I get in the shower, because once you get in the shower, you get in that water or hot water again, you're gonna start sweating. I hooked up my iPod today down here in the basement instead of wearing my earphones. But I'll tell you a little story here. Turn around so you can see. See this little speaker system? That's a bass unit and two tweeters. And the story about these is I got these in Iraq. I got these in Iraq when I was over in Iraq. We needed some tunes inside the barracks. We want to listen to some music together. So I got those in Iraq just for that purpose. Here's my headphones. I'm trying to find my headphones right there. That way you can put it on your arm. But I got those in Iraq so we can listen to music, because I'm telling you, music is a motivation. Find some music that you love to listen to. Like I said, I'm gonna give you some of my favorite songs. Whew. I'm gonna tell you some of my favorite songs to work out to. I gotta cut that light off down there. To work out to later on. Follow my channel. Follow all my websites and stuff. Shut that door too. Dang, follow all my websites and stuff, and you'll have those songs on there. I'm giving them to you for free. They ain't nothing to buy. They're just my favorite songs, tips and stuff. That's all free. Ain't nothing to buy there. So if you want to follow me, you can follow me. It's tgemme.com. GEMME. TGEMME.com. All right. Till next time, I'm gonna go upstairs and work out my abs a little bit. Do a little back workout, maybe some tries. But till then, I'll see you then. As always, TGM, keeping it real. Love you guys. See you later.